is about to go down.
Can you read my dialect? From Recite, of course. Psalm 23:4. Yeah. Senenam awosum kari mo po a misuru.
Thank you.
Awolode efficie would net not a word.
Hey, what a surprise.
Wahabat net woboma not a kere met one.
Wow! Hey, so intelligent.
Well done. Clap on for yourself.
Welcome to the Matter Gags.
Hello lovely viewers, it's your girl Christy, aka Niki CH, and on today's episode is
Broni obetimi Akan. Yes, can the white speak my dialect?
Do you want to know?
Yes. You agree? Yes.
Do you really want to know?
Yes.
Let's hit the street.
Please question me. Anna? Anna, do you have a nickname? No, different. Okay. Can you read my dialect? Yeah, I'll try.
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
Se menam owo sum kadi mu so a minsuru aurade ekise wo nene na ewa ha.
Thank you.
Continue.
Waba neu koma na iere.
Jesus.
What did you say?
Iere ne. Okay.
A word of storyteller. Are you sure?
Sarah, do you have a nickname?
No, everyone calls me Sada.
Sarah. Okay. Can you read this?
Look at this.
Se menam o sum
Thank you.
Continue.
kabi mu mopwa.
Continue. No problem.
Sorry. Minsuru aurade efise vonemena eu.
12 seconds later.
Waba ne wopoma na ekiere mekwan.
Okay, now I got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. Now I got it. All right, I got it.
Please what's your name? My name is Igor. Igor, nice name. Can you read my dialect? From Recite, of course. Psalm 23:4. Yeah. Senenam awosum kari mo po a misuru awolode efficie would net not a word. Wahabat net woboma not a kere met one.
You got this, bro.
We want to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, to our participants, and to everyone watching us. Big ups. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell to select all option so you will be the first to get notified when we upload our videos. Like, comment, and share.